Hello, my name is Izukimaru, aka Ninja Girl, and I'm from Japan. I started this channel to introduce authentic Japanese meals to everywhere around the world, while also improving my cooking skills. Today I'm going to make Okonomiyaki, Japanese pancake. It's different from American pancakes. It's not really breakfast things. It's more like lunch and dinner meal. And it's not sweet. And it's very simple to make this meal. So I hope you guys can try this. Now let's go. So these ingredients for 2 servings. So I'm going to show ingredients for okonomiyaki: 100 grams of flour and 3 teaspoons of Japanese soup stock. This is called hondashi, and 1 egg and 120 milliliter of water, 200 grams of cabbage, and 100 grams of pork. And I don't know how to say in English, but friable, which I used for udon, 15 grams of this tenkatsu. So these are main ingredients. And for the topping, of course, okonomiyaki sauce and mayonnaise and Bonito flakes and Aonori. This is called Aonori. Seaweed, dried seaweed. This is for okonomiyaki and yakisoba and takoyaki. They will put for a lot of things. These are toppings. So first, put water into a bowl. And then this is good if water is a little bit warm, because I'm going to put Japanese soup stock and I'm gonna mix it. So put Japanese soup stock, 3 teaspoons of Japanese soup stock. 1, 2, okay. Once you put soup stock, you can mix it. After water and soup stock get mixed, you can put flour. Okay, I'm gonna mix. If you can buy okonomiyaki flour, it's easier. It's already soup stock is mixed with the flour and sell. When I was in Hawaii, I could find okonomiyaki flour though, like this. I'm going to add 1 egg here. Then you can mix. Now we can prepare cabbage. You can cut it like this. I cut it this way and this way. If you like small cabbage, if you like the texture, you can cut it like this, but if it's like this, it's okay. Now you can finally put cabbage here. You can put all of it. Then I'm going to mix. It's a lot of cabbage, actually. Like this. You can add friable, 15 grams friable, like this. Then you can mix this. I forgot to say for ingredients, but now I'm going to put oil here and heat the pan ready to make okonomiyaki. I think medium heat is okay. So now I'm going to put this to here. Oh, sounds good. I think I cannot put all of this. I'm not sure. Hold on, let me see. My pan is not that big though. You can see though. Okay. If it's big, like it's difficult to turn it around, so maybe you should not put a lot. Maybe you can make 2 okonomiyaki for this ingredient by just wanted to do. So next, we can put pork like this. If you don't have a pork, it's okay to put seafood, cheese in it. Feels really good. There's a lot of kind of okonomiyaki though. Oh, it smells really good already. Okay, like this. So this going to be the most difficult part of okonomiyaki. I'm gonna scoop this up and turn it around. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think I did it good. Let me see. Okay, after you turn it around, make it a little bit lower heat and put this cover, and then we will wait until this is going to be cooked. Let me see. It's really a big one. I wanted the big one, so I'm gonna wait a little bit more because it's kind of big. Today I use flour, but for some reason I sometimes cook okonomiyaki using oatmeal. Let me see. More. Okay, so this side is ready. I think I'm going to cook this side again, so I'm gonna turn this over. It's super heavy though. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. I forgot, like this was for 2 person, but I just wanted to eat a really big one for myself. I just make it really big. But to cook this meal, if you cook 2 okonomiyaki, I think it's more easier because you have to turn it over. This is the most difficult part of okonomiyaki, so I think you should make 2 okonomiyakis by these ingredients. So after okonomiyaki is cooked, now you can put it onto a plate so you cannot see. Okay, like this. It's really big one. It's funny, kind of. Okay, now okonomiyaki is ready. See, okonomiyaki. It's it's super heavy. いただきます。I like the Bonito flake. Bonito. It's super good. First of all, the sauce is very tasty, and the edge of the okonomiyaki and the surface of the okonomiyaki is kind of crispy, and the inside is really soft, so texture is really good. And definitely the Aonori, the dried seaweed is good accent. Also the Bonito flakes, really good. If you have it, you should definitely put these two toppings. It's definitely much better. Okonomiyaki ingredients are simple, and how to make this meal is very simple as well. So I cook sometimes when I was busy or something. I think the most difficult part of cooking this meal is when you turn over the okonomiyaki to the other side. Make sure until the side is cooked and it's not going to break into many pieces. Otherwise, it's really simple recipe, so I hope you guys can try this. But for this ingredient I introduced, you should definitely cook 2 okonomiyakis though. It's really big. So if it's big, it's kind of difficult to turn over, so I think small one is better, easier to cook. I kind of wanted the big one, so I cooked just really big one okonomiyaki, but you guys definitely should make 2 okonomiyakis from these ingredients though. So normally I use okonomiyaki flour. This flour is specialized for okonomiyaki, so it has, I think, the soup stock inside already. It's not normal flour, but I couldn't find this okonomiyaki flour in America, so I think you guys can find this version in Japanese supermarket. But if you don't have it, it's totally okay. Just mix flour and soup stock. Okonomiyaki is popular all over Japan, but this is actually came from west part of Japan. There are 2 famous places. One is Osaka and one is Hiroshima prefecture. These 2 style okonomiyaki is very different, I think. This is more Osaka style, I think. So Hiroshima style of okonomiyaki has a noodle, and this is also really good. So there are a lot of kind of okonomiyaki, like pork, seafood, like Hiroshima style, like pork and noodle. A lot of kind like cheese and stuff. So you can arrange the way you want. But I think a lot of foreigners love this okonomiyaki because of the sauce is really, I don't know, strong taste. So okonomiyaki and yakisoba are really popular for foreigners, right? It was really big one, but I couldn't help myself. I just ate them all. Gochou-sama. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button and share this video with your friend and give me a comment what Japanese meal you want to see in this channel. Until next time, bye.